Let's open my second in a week Candyland Treats and Events box. And this time I wanted to order the mystery box. Let me show you. A couple of the items I've ordered, I know what's in here. But now, these on the top, I had these last week. And I don't even know how to... If you're a crisp fanatic or just a savoury snack fanatic, you need to get these from Emma. Hot honey. They're like a cheesy puff type thing. They are delectable. I think I went through 4 bags in 2 nights. So I've ordered 1, 2, 3 more bags. Let's take a look. Wow. So we've got some noodles. They are pineapple and jalapeno flavour. Pineapple noodles. It actually says sweet heat. Wow, I can't wait to try them. I actually have just sneaked a peep at something that I've put back down and hidden because it is something, Emma didn't know this, that I have always wondered about. You know, in America when they make what they call biscuits and gravy, I've always wondered about that and thought, what on earth is biscuits and gravy? She's put me a biscuit gravy mix in. I have no idea what that will be like, but I've heard so much about it. I guess I'm going to have to learn how to make American biscuits. And then another extra is pretzel pizzas, jalapeno. She knows I like my spice. This is the £10 mystery box, and I'm so excited to see what's in here. I've got no idea. So we've got trolley strawberry flavour bombs, fluffy soft gummies. Now these are my grandson's favourites. The last box I got last week he nicked, so he's got another bag there. These are his favourites. I've no idea how spicy they are because he won't ever let me try them. A drink. Dunkin' Zero Iced Tea. Dunkin' Zero, I might take that to work next week. We've got a Candyland Treats and Events Sweetie Cone and chocolate with hazelnut bar. Don't forget, everything I brought out of that box is a mystery box, so everything in there was £10. Emma has very kindly put me a second Candyland Treats and Events mystery box in. So let's have a look in the second box. Ooh. Chips Ahoy, they look like chocolate cookies. Grandpa Dave will love them. What? Peach yoghurt water. Peach yoghurt water. Wow. Look at that. 5 lollipops. Spring bouquet. And then we've got a jelly pizza. Cocoa Pebbles. Flintstones. Yabba dabba doo! I'm going to tag Emma down below, and I'll also tag her company, Candyland Treats and Events. Absolutely perfect. I only ordered this 2 days ago and it's just arrived. Now, excuse me, but I'm off to bed with my hot honey puffs.